So you're looking to get a personal loan. Here is what you need to know before you apply. Applying for a personal loan requires that you have fairly good credit and minimal debt. Understandably, sometimes things happen in life that can cause any one of us to end up with bad credit. The sooner you start taking the steps to rebuilding your credit with good credit, the sooner your credit history will look good again. To successfully get a personal loan, you need to make sure that you have a credit score of 650 or better. The amount of debt you have also factors in. You don't want to have too much debt. You don't want to have a debt ratio of more than 35% of your income. You also need to be able to show that you have steady income. And finally, you need to know how you plan to repay the loan. Budgeting your money is very important. Have a way to set aside the monthly payments. Don't fall into the trap of credit repair companies. Many claim to be able to remove negative strikes on your credit report. If the reporting creditor has a valid negative claim, it can't be removed in most cases. The best thing you can do is start building new good credit by signing up with a credit builder company. It may take up to 90 days to start seeing your credit seriously improving. And remember, if you are serious in rebuilding your credit, stick to the credit builder plans. And before you know it, your credit will be at a place where getting a loan will not be a problem. Getting an apartment will be easier, and the opportunity for being able to get a better job becomes available, since many employers do look at credit history before hiring someone. These are the basics, but other factors can come into play that could keep you from getting that personal loan. Contact us at olsonfunding@gmail.com to answer any of your questions and to guide you through the process of getting a personal loan from one of our top-rated lenders.